name's Emily and I'm here at the National Marine Aquarium where we're about to do this week's toddler craft session. This week we're going to be making one of these really fun fish puppets, and it's super simple. All you need is your hand, a nice piece of coloured paper, some colouring pens or pencils, a lollipop stick, some tape, and of course some scissors to cut it out. So the first thing I'm going to do is just draw around my hand. Okay, so now really carefully just cut out the outline that you've just drawn. Don't forget to get an adult to help you if you need to. Okay, so now that I've got the outline of my hand, I'm just going to turn it over so that I can't see the pencil where I drew around it, and then we just need to decorate it. So this end here, where your wrist was, this is going to be the face of our fish, so we need to add a little eye, maybe some lips, and then your fingers and your thumb are going to be the fin and the tail. So don't forget to decorate your fish however you want, maybe some glitter, lots of bright colours and stripes. I'm just going to draw quite a simple pattern today. Okay, so now that we've got our fabulous looking fish, we need to turn it into a puppet. So all we need to do is take your lollipop stick and sellotape it to the back of your fish, just like this. And there we have it, your very own fish puppet. So now you can make lots and lots of really fun under the sea stories at home with your new fish. Thanks for watching this week's Toddler Crafts. Please don't forget to post your crafts below. We love seeing what you guys are getting up to, and don't forget to tune in next week.